How to permanently delete your Snapchat account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video I'll show you how you can permanently delete your Snapchat account, so you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to permanently delete our Snapchat account, just launch the Snapchat application. Then make sure to come to your Bitmoji profile page. Then you have to tap on the gear icon, which is at the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the gear icon and come to this page, over here scroll down until you see the option called I need help, and then tap on this section. Once you come to the I need help section, in the search box you just want to type in the keyword called delete my account. So just go ahead and type in delete account or anything keyword as such, and here you'll find a search result that says how do I delete my Snapchat account. So just make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on how do I delete my Snapchat account, here you can see it says to delete your account if you're on Android or on the web, just go to the option called accounts portal in this blue button. So tap on the accounts portal button, and as you do that, it will take you to a page where you can delete your account. First enter the username of the Snapchat account you're trying to delete, and then enter the password. Once you've entered all the details, tap on the continue button and your Snapchat account will be permanently deleted. And that's all it takes to delete your Snapchat account permanently. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.